how to install Post News mobile app on iOS. So yeah, finally there is an app for iPhone, and then you can just double click to install it. It's one of the top alternatives for Twitter. It's got a lot of traction recently, but it was only available on the website. You can only have access to it via browser, via Safari or Google Chrome. But now if you just tap open, you download the app, and yeah, you can just sign in with your account. So yeah, I already have an account on on my browser. So I'll just try to sign in. You can sign in with Apple, Google, or you can just create an account and then proceed with it. So finally, I was able to log in. So as you can see, this is my account on the browser in Safari. And then when you just try to log in, now you can just tap open, and you just log in with your details to the mobile app, iOS, and then yeah, there you have it. Now it's available in the Post app. There are a lot of memes. So there are a lot of alternatives right now to Twitter, different angles. The people try to explore different other apps, especially due to changes Elon introduced right now with the limit of tweets you can read per day, stuff like that. So some people checking out Blue Sky, some people checking out Truth Social. That's like a kind of left-leaning app, right-leaning apps. Post News is more like, for like journalists and politicians, I guess. That's basically when you want to discuss some politics. Some there are a lot of journalists here. That's how I understand the angle of this app. So if you're interested in these niches, that's basically you can join this app. And then you just if you are a news junkie and all of that, then basically this is definitely one of the apps you can follow. There are not that many cat photos or dogs here, and all of that is mostly like politics or something like that on this app. And then you can just see like topics, as you can see, US news, world news, business, tech, politics, sports. Of course, it's not only politics on this app. You can just find all different categories. It's quite a new app. Some people like it. And, there is like a profile. You can get a profile. There is like some points. There is your wallet. This is just, when you sign up first for the app, you just receive these funds. I don't know how you can cash out your points. So there is like a conversion rate of 1.001 USD, so 1 cent, and the monetary value of your account points balance must be greater than $50 in order to be eligible for a withdrawal. Once the minimum payout threshold is met, users can initiate a withdrawal by sending an email to support@postnews. Once approved withdrawals are completed via automated clearinghouse transfer to external deposit account at a U.S. financial institution. So yeah, it seems it's working, and this app is focusing a lot about monetization, that you want to pay to creators to see their content, or you can yourself become a creator. And then, for example, if you just go to profile, you can follow someone, you can tip someone. So select an amount like tip 25 points, custom. So yeah, here, if you want, you can top up your balance. You can buy 300 points for $4.29 or 10,000 points for $127. So yeah, then you just have your profile here. That's your profile, edit profile. Then you can see this. So I was lucky to reserve quite handy first name, username. Then you can just add your name, change your name, add your description, add your social handles. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you have wallet. You can invite friends to post. There is no invitation mode. know more, so you can get to this app as you want, in white needed. You can change the appearance, light theme, dark theme. Then if you wanna, you can delete your account right from the app. If you wanna, you can also request verification. You get a blue check mark to indicate that your account is authentic, so you can do that. Then there are some security privacy issues. You can block mute accounts, do some basic stuff. So yeah, this app is kind of one of the Twitter alternatives. It's not based though on any decentralized protocol, like there is like AT protocol or some other protocols which Mastodon is based on, and Blue Sky is based on. So this is like a new trend in decentralized social media, that the backend of these apps is not just like some centralized database, is just like a decentralized nodes on different servers, as I understand it, and that setup makes it less vulnerable to censorship, to moderation, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what it is basically. As you can see, yeah, here some of the content is hidden under subscription, under points. So you need to get points to read something, and then the creator gets these points. And there are some like big publishers here, like Fortune, Reuters. So a lot of this, like big, like politics or just big news publishers are here. This is where their core audience is. Then you can just create this new post. You can just add images, GIFs, and then you can make this post paid on Post News app. So yeah, that's it, what it is. Yeah, but again, the thing is, this is just like a different app to Twitter, but it's still kind of much centralized. It's still not based on a protocol, as Blue Sky is or Mastodon is. So that's maybe it's a bit vulnerable as well. So it's a bit centralized. Maybe they will add some kind of protocol in the future, but let's see how it develops. So for now, it is what it is. But still, it's a cool app, very well made, very well designed. Like it's in a fast time. So now you have it, and you can feel free to try it out, to claim your username. Maybe it's a good time to claim your username, and maybe you can reserve a nice username here. I don't know if this app available as an app for Android yet, but for sure it's available on iOS, and definitely give it a try.